Installing an RTC battery. Position the battery so that the plus sign faces outward. Insert the battery into the holder at an angle, and then push it to an upright position so it is fully seated in the holder. Close the controller cover and fasten the thumb screw. Press the locking tabs and push the controller handles down to a horizontal position. Align the rear of the controller with the opening in the chassis, and then use the handles to gently push the controller halfway into the chassis. Connect the console cable to the console port on the controller and to the laptop so that the laptop will receive the console messages when the controller reboots. Firmly push the handles until the controller meets the midplane and is fully seated in the chassis. Pull the controller handles up and lock them in place with the tabs. Set the time and date on the controller. Refer to the maintenance guide for the procedure. Give back the impaired controller. Refer to the maintenance guide for the procedure.